Hello everyone, today is the most exciting part of the prescription for your immunity. All my patients, even in the earlier YouTube videos, this is called forest bathing, the greatest immune builder and booster which you can have. It's called Shinrin Yoku in Japan and a recognized form of relaxation and stress management even since the 1980s. In Tokyo, there was a study which was done where they had two groups of very healthy individuals. They did a blood test before, and then one control group stayed in the forest for 2 nights and 3 days, and the other one remained in Tokyo. And guess what the results were? The group who remained in Tokyo, the blood reports remained the same, and the one who were in the forest, there was a huge surge in the immune, that is both the immune cells as well as the white blood cells of the people who were in the forest. Interesting, isn't it? And the other thing is, they found huge amount of phytoncides in the forest and none in Tokyo City whatsoever. So what are phytoncides? These are the fragrance of the forest. How beautiful are these fragrances which are being emitted by the trees and all these beings of nature in the forest. So what do? They actually boost your immune system in a great way. So what are the building blocks of your immune system? The white blood cells in the entire army of your, so we are going to talk about muscle building, that is your immune building. Just like how you go to the gym, you're going to go to the forest to build your immune cells. So what do these white blood cells do? They multiply in huge numbers when you even inhale the fragrances or the phytoncides. So if you cannot go into the forest, you can actually bring it into you at home. The forest can come home to you. So what are the trees with the greatest phytoncides in them? We have sacred mountain and cedar and cypress and Palo Santo. So here I have a stick of Palo Santo, which has great immune boosting phytoncides in it. And even the banyan tree here is full of oxygen, and there is no amount of healing which happens by just touching or inhaling this. So other than this, the actual earth, I'm not wearing any footwear. I'm standing bare feet on earth right now. And this is what people in cities are missing. The actual grounding or earthing is what people are missing. So what happens, there is incredible grounding which happens when we have actual physical contact with the forest. So there are charged particles on the surface of the earth, and these actually neutralize the free charged particles in our body. And do you know what this does? This actually improves your immune system in a huge way. This has been scientifically proven. So what does this do? There is, between all your living cells, there's a connective tissue in between, and it makes a huge difference to your immunity and this connective tissue when you have the earthing or the electrical charge of your body restored. I have a machine which was invented in Russia, which is used on astronauts before they go into space, because they have to be in the pinnacle of health. And the one thing I find in everyone living in the city is this earthing is completely missing. So don't worry if you can't go into a forest. You can use the essential oils of all these trees I mentioned before, and you can inhale the fragrance, and then go out into your lawn or the earth just outside your home and stand for a few minutes. And this barefoot, not with your shoes, not with your slippers, make sure your feet touch the earth, because this has been proven to restore and build your immune system in a big way. So there are many ways of boosting and having fun in the forest. Take your dog along, take yourself. You can have so much more immune building than any supplement or anything can give you. I promise you this. We live in homes with artificial air conditioning and heaters. So all this actually reduces the quality of the air, and it's not so great for our skin at all. So when we go in the forest, we have no pollutants, it opens the pores, it's full of oxygen rich air which has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So you can look fabulous just for being in the forest. There's no need for potions and lotions and expensive things because everything is right here. And then the other thing which is super important is the mental well-being. Our mental well-being is super important, and there are more doctors in the forest than in a hospital for your mental well-being and for your immunity. So what does being here do for you? It boosts your mood, it clears your mind, improves sleep, and actually supports short-term memory. All this is scientifically proven. So if you have any anxiety, depression, just being in nature, being bare feet, touching the earth with your feet, with your fingers, all this is the greatest medicine. I promise you this works. It's part of my prescription every time. And then there's a whole garden for your sensory stimulation. It's an excellent, the forest is full of fragrances and sounds and tastes. So here, what do I find in the forest? You can see this magical fruit, the zam. So you can see how pretty it's pink and green, and the taste as well, full of vitamin C. So all this, you have the entire glory of nature which gives you immunity, things for your mind as well as your body. So coming to the physical movement, to get to a forest it encourages you to be active, because obviously there's also fitness and weight loss and overall improvement in health which comes by the physical act of exercise, which also happens. So the final thing is not just in your home and supplements, but every day a little bit of forest bathing is fantastic. I have my little animals who come as well, and they love being in the forest, as you can see, because they all live in tune with nature. So let's really focus on not just being happier, letting go of any mental imbalances or anxiety, but really vibrating at the highest, at the pinnacle of health. That was my cat who just moved the camera. So they all know what being in the forest means. And last but not the least is this banana tree. When sunlight comes through, when it's filtered through a banana leaf, this is the greatest detox for your body. I remember when my father was a child, he had smallpox. In those days, it was still there, and the only way the virus would go was they wrapped him up in a banana leaf, put him in the sun, and the virus cleared completely. So just the filtering of the light through these leaves has a great antiviral property. So use all these treasures and medicines and doctors you have, and enjoy forest bathing, and write to me and let me know how it is. And make sure you subscribe to the YouTube or ring the bell, because we have the science of all these things. It's not just talking, but the actual science behind it for you. So really have fun when you build your health, and really touch pinnacles which you never thought were possible before. Lovely to be with you again. Thank you so much.